friends and subscribers, welcome back to my channel. So guys, I want to say a very big thank you for supporting my channel, for watching my videos, and for my old subscribers, thank you for coming back to watch my video anytime I upload a video. I really appreciate and I love you all, guys. So guys, I'm so happy and I decided to share this video with you guys because as you can see, I have a lot of vegetables here. A wonderful family friends of mine brought all these things for me, so I decided to share the video with you guys. As you can see, I have some bitter leaf, green leaves, potatoes, onions, and scotch bonnet. So each year, that is how they do. They normally bring these things for us. They always bring for us. So guys, and I also want to show you how I wash my bitter leaf and how I store it in my freezer. Anytime I want to cook, I'll just go there and take one of the pack and I use it for my soup. And also the green, I will show you guys how I conserve everything in the freezer so that anytime I want to cook, I will just go there and take one of them. So guys, if this is your first time in my channel, you're welcome to this channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and give it a thumbs up. And also don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you will never miss any video that I upload. So guys, let's get started. So now today my sister is in my house. She's the one that is helping me to wash the bitter leaf. So she's just plucking the bitter leaf out of the stick, but me, I normally slice it if I want to wash my bitter leaf because in that way it's so easy for me to wash that way. But she decided to wash it like this, so let's see how she's going to do it. You can also add salt on your own if you want to wash it. Sometimes I use salt to wash it, but depends on how you want to wash the bitter leaf. A lot of people don't like washing bitter leaf with their hands, and you can also wear hand gloves if you want to wash it so that your hand will not be bitter, but depend on how you want it. Guys, bitter leaf is so good and it's health beneficial. I love bitter leaf so much, especially for Nigerian soup.
Have just begun. We will always take a stand for the people, for the land.
As you can see, we've washed the bitter leaf. It's so clean and nice. So now is the time for the green. You just have to pluck all the leaf from the stick, then you wash it thoroughly. We've washed it before, but we decided to wash it a lot of times because there are a lot of sand in it, so you have to wash it thoroughly so that you will not eat sand in your food. It's not good. I love green leaf so much. Sometimes I use it to make jollof rice. I add it in my stew. It's so good, guys. I love it so much. And I also use it to eat plantain. Very nice. So now guys, we have to slice it because I like slicing it and keep it in the freezer like that. In that way, when you just bring it out, you can also put it in the warm water before you put it in your food. That is how I normally do my own, but you can put it direct to the pot. But sometimes I don't like it. There is too much water like that. So guys, as you can see, these are all the leaves. We've sliced them, we washed them, we cut them like this. So now we are going to take our plastic bag and start packeting them. We'll put it in the freezer. So just see how we're going to do it. In that way, anytime you want to cook, it's so easy for you to go to your freezer, bring out the pack and just make use of it. So I'm just going to put a portion, the one that will be enough for a pot of soup. That is what I'm going to do. So now we're just packeting the grain. So the grain, we just put enough. That will be a lot. That will be enough for us to cook, because when you put it inside the hot water, it will just go down. So I put the amount that will be enough for me to cook. So guys, these are all the leaves. We have about 4 packs of the grain, 7 packs of the bitter leaf. So guys, as you can see, everything is set. It's so easy to do, not so difficult. And I want to say thank you to you all guys that have been watching my video. And also guys, I want to say thank you for my old subscribers, because the love they are showing me, I so much appreciate. And that is why I want to say a very big thank you to them. And also guys, if you love this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share, like, and also hit the notification bell so that you will never miss a video. So guys, I want to say thank you so much. Bye. I'm going to see you in my next video.